welcome back to another daily doodle session. I had another request come in, so today I'm going to draw a reindeer. So we're going to start with the head. I'm going to give it a fuzzy look, so it's not going to be a smooth line here, so I just wanted to give it some texture. Right, and we'll add some ears. Same on the other side. Then we'll add the eyes. Next thing is going to be our reindeer's nose. So I'm going to give it a red nose. So it's going to be our Rudolph. Next, we'll add the mouth. And I'm just going to add some dotted lines here. I just think that makes it extra cute. And the last thing we'll need are the antlers. So we're going to start here. And then we'll do the other side as well. Okay, and I'm just going to add one last thing. I figured we could maybe add some Christmas lights to its antlers. It's going to make it quite cute. So you can do some freestyle design here. I'm just going to kind of go like this. Okay. And then we're just going to pick some colors. I'm going to start with maybe green here. And just randomly put some lines there. And let's maybe add another green one here. I'm going to switch over to my red one. Maybe add one here, another one there. Oh, maybe just over there, another red one. I'm going to do some blue ones as well. And I think that's it. Right, so that's our Christmas reindeer, Rudolph. Hopefully you liked it. Let me know if you'd like me to do anything next, and hopefully I'll see you soon.